Good morning. The sun rises over a quiet kitchen, but this space is anything but ordinary. This is where technology meets culinary art. This is where the kitchen robot begins its day. A tireless companion designed not to replace the joy of cooking, but to enhance it, to assist, to perfect. With a soft hum, it awakens. Blue lights pulse gently as sensors calibrate, cameras focus, and artificial intelligence processes thousands of recipes in milliseconds. This isn't just a machine, it's a trained chef, a nutritionist, a kitchen assistant that never sleeps, never tires, and never wastes a single ingredient. Watch as it glides across the floor with precision, opening the refrigerator with a gentle touch. It scans the contents: eggs, fresh vegetables, dairy products, calculating possibilities. Within seconds, it has planned a perfect breakfast, optimized for nutrition, taste, and the ingredients available. No guesswork, no waste, just pure efficiency. The dance begins. Eggs crack with surgical precision, not a single shell fragment escapes into the bowl. Golden yolks blend with whites in perfect whisking motions. The pan heats to exactly 160 degrees Celsius. Butter melts and sizzles. The robot knows the exact moment to pour, the precise temperature to maintain, the perfect timing for that golden brown finish. Vegetables are diced in seconds, uniform cubes that would make a professional chef envious. The omelet flips through the air, a moment of culinary poetry, landing perfectly back in the pan. Every movement is calculated, yet somehow graceful. This is mathematics meeting artistry, algorithms creating beauty. But breakfast isn't complete without coffee. While the omelet finishes, robotic arms move to the espresso machine. Fresh beans are ground, water heated to exactly 93 degrees Celsius. The extraction is perfect, rich, aromatic espresso flows like liquid gold. Milk froths to velvety perfection, and with artist's precision, a heart pattern appears on the surface of your latte. Everything comes together on a single tray. The omelet, golden and fluffy. The toast, perfectly browned. Fresh fruit, arranged with care. Your coffee, still steaming. The kitchen robot carries it all to your table, places a napkin just so, adds a small vase with a flower. It's not just about nutrition. It's about starting your day right, about bringing a smile to your face. And then, without fanfare, it returns to clean. Every dish washed, every surface spotless, every ingredient returned to its proper place. But it's also learning, analyzing what you enjoyed, what you left behind, adapting future meals to your preferences. It checks inventory, creates shopping lists, even watches cooking videos to expand its repertoire. The kitchen robot isn't about replacing human connection in the kitchen. It's about giving you time to enjoy meals with family instead of rushing through preparation. Time to explore new recipes without fear of failure. Time to simply savor the moment when a perfect breakfast appears before you, prepared with precision and care. This is the future of cooking. This is the kitchen robot. Your kitchen reimagined.